Take a look at this big and really beautiful Delta faucet, high-rise spring faucet, kind of like the kind I used when I worked at a couple of restaurants during my college days. This is for underneath, not a visible part. Here is the spray head, and it can be adjusted to be on and off. If you look at the end, this outer ring is the spray. The inner ring is for when you're just wanting aerated water to flow. It's solid metal. It's a heavy thing. Where it goes in here, it's plastic like this. Black plastic has a sort of industrial aesthetic to it. It comes with this, which is a way of retrofitting or making this work on a counter that had been a 3-hole. So it's a base that you can put this through. In all likelihood, you won't need that, but it's there, and it's nice that they provided that. More likely, you're going to use one of the gaskets that's in here, put it on here, and just have it rest directly on the top of the countertop. PEX supply lines are integrated into it. It has this very, I'm going to try and show it to you, viscous, kind of damped, it's very tight, very precise, quarter turn for hot and cold, in and out for volume. But it is just a really beautiful faucet, kind of an exquisite faucet, you know. It's meant to look industrial. And honestly, I think it could have worked in one of those restaurants I worked in.